Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. See, exercise 2E is question number 1. Using the elimination method, solve each of the following pairs of simultaneous equation. We have to use elimination method to solve these equation. This pair of equation is called simultaneous equation. These are solved with different methods, and one method about which he is asking to solve is the elimination method, and these two equations form a pair, and this pair is called pair of simultaneous equation. Now we have to solve it. Elimination method means we have to remove x from both or y from both simply as possible. So see here y is of plus, and this y is of minus sign. So simply by adding these equation we can remove y from both of these equation. So let us remove y by adding these. Write again x plus y is equal to 16 and x minus y is equal to 0. Now if we add these equation, I am writing this sign due to addition. If we add these equation, we will not change any sign, and we will cancel out this plus with this minus, and these will cancel out, and 1x and 1x makes 2x, and 16 plus 0 is equal to 16. Now this 2 is being multiplied by x, it will be divided on the other side. If you divide it by 16 will be divided by 2, the answer is 8. Here answer of x is 8, and we have to find the value of y as well. Choose any equation from here. I am choosing this equation. You can choose this as well. So in the second equation, which is more simpler than first one, I have chosen second equation. Put x is equal to 8 here. Write the value of x. As the x is equal to 8, I have written 8 here instead of x, and y is equal to 0. Now minus y will remain on the same side, and 8 will be taken on the other side. It will become minus 8 on the other side. So y is equal to this minus, this will become minus 8, and this minus can be removed by this minus. So y is equal to 8 here. Now you see that value of x is 8 and y of value is also 8. So write these together and make a set 8 and 8. First 8 is that of x and second 8 is that of y. So in this way you can write the answer. Now in the B part, x minus y is equal to 5 and x plus y is equal to 19. In the same way, you see here that we can add these simultaneous equation, and then we can remove y from them, because here is y of minus and here is y of plus. So we simply can remove them by adding the equations. So put here plus sign and remove these two with each other, and 1x and 1x makes 2x is equal to 19 plus 5 is equal to 24. Now x will remain on this side and 24 will be divided by this 2 because it was being multiplied on the other side. So after dividing, the value of x is equal to 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. This is the answer of x. And now for y, you can proceed as carry any equation. This is more simpler, I think, and you can carry this equation that seem to be more simpler. X minus y from here is equal to 5, and put the value of x, that is 12. I have written 12 here due to this value of x. And now minus y will remain on this side and carry plus 12 on the other side, it will become minus 12, and after subtraction there will be only 7 on other side, and because minus is of greater term, minus 12 is of greater term, so we will write minus sign here, and due to opposite sign I subtracted these and minus y. Now minus and minus can be cancelled out. Answer will be y is equal to 7. This is our second answer. Now see next question, C part. 11x plus 4y is equal to 12 and 9x minus 4y is equal to 8. Here y is same and have opposite sign. This is 4y, this is 4y, and this is plus and this is of minus. So it is same and of opposite sign. We can simply remove this by eliminating it by subtracting it. So write here 11 plus 4y is equal to 12. 9x minus y minus 4y is equal to 8. Write here plus sign and remove it by adding. Plus 4y will be cancelled out by minus 4y, and 11 and 9 makes 20, because we are adding these 20x, and this 12 plus 8 is also 20. Now you will divide this 20 by this 20 because it is being multiplied on the other side. After dividing 20 by 20, answer is 1. So value of x is 1. Now find the value of y, and to find the value of y, take any equation from here. You can take second equation. It is your choice that which equation is taken. Doesn't matter, whatever equation you will take, answer will remain same. Now put the value of x here, that is 1 minus 4y is equal to 8. I have written the value of x from here. Now 9 minus 4y is equal to 8. After carrying 9 toward other side, it will become minus 9, and from minus 9 subtract 8, answer will be minus 1. Because opposite sign I have subtracted these. This is plus sign, this is minus sign. Subtract opposite sign and write the sign of bigger term. Now minus 4y here, minus and minus can be removed, and 1 will be divided by 4 because 4 is being multiplied on this side and it will be divided on the other side, and remove this minus with this minus. So this is our answer for y. See here, 4y plus x is equal to 11 and 3y minus x is equal to 3. Now you see here that this is 4y and this is 3y. These are different, but plus x and minus x are same. So we can remove them easily. So write once again. For solving, you will always write once again to solve. You will not start solving in the question. 3y minus x is equal to 3 here. Now by adding, we can remove this minus x and plus x can be removed. Now 4 and 3 makes 7. 7y here, and 3 and 11 makes 14 here. Y will remain on this side and 14 will be divided by 7 because 7 is being multiplied on this side. Answer is equal to 2. 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2, and carry this equation to find the value of y. Find the value of x. 3y minus x is equal to 3. Now put the value of y, that is 2 here. 3 into 2 minus x is equal to 3. Now you can multiply this. 3 2s are 6. Minus x is equal to 3. Minus x will remain on the same side, and plus 6 will be carried to other side, it will become minus 6. And when minus 6 is subtracted by 3, answer is minus 3, because bigger term is of minus, and due to opposite sign I subtracted. This minus and this minus can be cancelled, so x is equal to 3. So we have found the value of x as well. See here, y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. Now going to second part. See here, 3x plus y is equal to 5 and x plus y is equal to 3. You can see that y are same, 1y and 1y, and this is of plus, this is of plus. So both carry same sign. We can't remove them by simply adding. And this is 3x and this is 1x. These are also different. So we also can't remove them by simply adding. So we have to subtract these so that we can remove them by changing the sign. Let us try this method. First you should understand the question very well. If you have fully understood the question, then you should try. Now I will write here minus sign because I am subtracting now, and when you are subtracting you will change the sign. Already this carries plus sign, and now I am subtracting and I am writing minus sign. Already it carries plus sign and I am changing the sign, it is minus sign. Already here is plus sign and I will write minus sign. First sign is plus sign and now new sign is of minus sign, and we will consider our next sign, that is our changed sign. Second sign will be considered and first sign will not be considered. Now you see here, this is of plus y and this is of minus y, so we can remove them. And this is plus 3x and this is minus x. From 3x remove 1x, answer is 2x here, because we will consider next sign. And this minus sign and this plus sign will cancel out each other and there will be no y. And here from plus 5 you will remove minus 3, answer is plus 2 here, due to bigger term that carries plus sign. Now 2 is multiplied by x, it will be divided on the other side. So after dividing, answer is equal to x is equal to 1. This is the answer of 1. Now choose any equation. This is more simpler equation. Write this equation here, x plus y is equal to 3. Now put the value of x, that is 1, here is equal to 3. Now carry this one on the other side, it will be subtracted while carrying toward the other sign, toward here. This 3 when subtracted by 1, answer is 2 here. Now answer of y is 2. Now see this f part, 2x and 2x are same, while this is 3y and this is 7y, and these are different. So these are same but they don't carry opposite sign, they have same sign, so we have to change the sign so they may carry opposite sign. So let us write again. After writing again, you will change the sign, and for changing sign we need to subtract. So I am subtracting this and it already carries plus sign, I am subtracting it. It carried plus sign, I am changing the minus sign. It already carry plus sign, so I will write minus sign. Now you see here, this minus 2x and plus 2x can be removed, and only 3y carries plus sign, and this is minus 7y. So we will subtract due to opposite sign. Minus 7y will be subtracted by plus 3y, answer will be minus 4y. Because of bigger term I write the minus sign, and this is minus 9 subtracted by 5, answer will be minus 4. From 9 remove 5, answer is 4, and you will write the bigger sign, that is minus. Now divide this 4 by this 1 and cancel out these two signs. So y is equal to 1, 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, write here 1. This is the answer of y, and you have to find the answer of x. Now you can take any equation from here. I am taking first equation, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, write y, that is 1 is equal to 5. Now subtract, so write 3 1s are 3. Now carry this 3 on the other side, it is adding here, it will be subtracted on the other side. After subtraction, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now 2x is equal to 2, x will be divided, x will remain alone here, and 2 will be divided on the other side. After dividing, answer is 1, so value of x is equal to 1. See here, 7x and 11x are different, and minus 3y and minus 3y, these are same but carry same sign. We should have different sign and other term. Then we are needed to subtract these. 7x minus 3y is equal to 15, and 11x minus 3y is equal to 21. We are needed to subtract so that we can remove y from here. So after subtraction, you know that we have to change sign. This is our plus sign, we will write minus sign. This is minus already, and we will write plus, and this is plus, and we will write minus. Now remove this, as they have different sign. This is our plus 3y and this is our minus 3y. Remove this, and from minus 11 you will subtract 4, you will subtract 7, answer is 4x here, and it will carry negative sign because bigger term is of minus 11. And from here you see that minus 21, we will subtract it by 15, answer is 6. When you will remove 15 from 21, answer is 6, and this is of minus 6. Now divide this 6 by 4 and cancel out this negative sign with this negative sign, and after dividing you can cancel out these. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6 here, it can be cancelled. So our simplified answer of x is equal to 3 over 2. Now you can see that 3 is a bigger term and 2 is smaller term, so we have to find it in the form of whole number. So divide this one by this one, 2 1s are 2, so the answer is 1 whole, this one first, this one here, and this 2 here. 1 whole 1 over 2 is our answer. Now for second b part, y, 1 whole 1 over 2, this is the value of x. Now write any equation. I am going to write first equation, that is 7x minus 3y is equal to 15. Put the value of x here. The value of x is this, and this is same as this, so you have to put this value. This is simplified value and this is complex to some extent, so write this value instead of x, 7 into 3 over 2. 3 over 2 is the value of this x, and minus 3y is equal to 15. Now you can see that 7 is multiplied by 3, 7 3s are 21 over 2, minus 3y is equal to 15. Now minus 3y will remain here and 15 will be subtracted by minus 21 over 2. Now you see that we need to simplify it further. These are two terms and we have to change it into fraction so that they become like terms. Now these are both fraction and both have negative sign in between, so we will take LCM 1 and 2. LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. 2 will be divided by 1. This 2 will be divided by this 1. Answer is 2 here, and this 2 will be multiplied by numerator, right here minus, and this 2 will be divided by this 1. Answer is 1, and 1 multiplied by 21. Answer will remain same as 21. This is the method of solving fraction. You will take LCM, write LCM here, divide this LCM by first denominator, and the answer will be multiplied by the denominator. Divide this LCM by denominator and answer will be multiplied by the numerator. In this way you will carry this LCM again and you will divide it by this denominator and the answer will be multiplied by the numerator. In this way I have found the answer. Now 15 multiplied by 2 is equal to 30 and minus 21 divided by 2. Answer will be equal to 30 subtracted by 21. Answer is 9 divided by 2. Here is minus 3y, as this is minus 3y. Now this 3 minus 3 will be taken on the other side, so it will become 9. 3 is being multiplied here, it will be divided on the other side, so you will write it here because you will divide it by 9, and this 3 will be carried on the other side, it will be divided. So therefore I have written it in the denominator, and this minus sign will also be here along the number, it will not remain on along the alphabet. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. Answer is minus 3 over 2 ones are 2 here. Change it into whole number. After changing it into whole number, you know that numerator will be divided by the denominator. Divide this 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2. After subtracting 1 here, so write this one first, minus this minus sign, 1 whole, this 1 over 2. The answer is minus 1 whole 1 over 2. See here, both the answers are same but due to difference of minus sign. Now go to next part. See here, 3y minus 2x is equal to 9 and 2y minus 3 minus 2x is equal to 7. Both are same but have also same sign. This is sign should be different, term should be same, so we will make different sign by subtracting. 3y minus 2x is equal to 9 and 2y minus 2x is equal to 7. Now for changing sign I am going to subtract it. Write here negative sign, and this is plus, I am changing it into minus. This is minus, I am changing it into plus. This is plus, I am changing into minus. You will write opposite sign. I have written all the opposite sign. Now plus 2x and minus 2x can be cancelled, and minus 2y can be removed from 3y. Answer is only y here, and here from 9 you can subtract 7. Answer is 2. So y is simply equal to 2. Now carry this term, 2y minus 2x is equal to 7. Now put the value of y, that is 2. 2 here, and minus 2x is equal to 7. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 2x is equal to 7, and minus 2x is equal to 7. This plus 4 will become minus 4 on the other side. So from 7 remove 4, answer is 3, and minus 2x here. Now carry this minus 2 on the other side. 2 is multiplied, it will be divided on the other side, and write minus sign here. This minus sign will be written on the number side. So as you see that numerator is greater than denominator, so change it into whole number. Divide this 3 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 here, so write it x is equal to 1, first minus sign, then 1 whole 1 over 2. This is our answer of x, and this was the answer of y. Dear students, see the term 3a minus 2b is equal to 5 and 2b minus 5a. Now he has changed the places as well. He has changed 2b, has written 2b here instead of writing here. So we will first write same numbers one above the other, and then we will solve that. 3a minus 2b is equal to 5, write the same, and now write minus 5a here, minus 5a. This 2b will be written here, this is plus 2b, it will be written here plus 2b, and is equal to 9. Because I am changing the arrangement on the same side, so I will not change the sign here. Okay, I am changing the arrangement on the same side, remaining on the same side of the equation. I have changed this, I have written this minus 5a here and this 2b plus 2b here. So I have simply changed the arrangement. I have not carried them on the other side of the equal sign. Therefore, I will not change the sign. It is of plus 2b, it will remain of plus 2b, and this is minus 5a, it will remain minus 5a. Now you can see that it is minus 2b and it is plus 2b. Both are same and both have opposite sign. It is good for us, and we will simply add these to eliminate. So by adding we can find the answer. Now from minus 5 subtract 3, answer is 2, 2a here, and from plus 2b and minus 2b can be cancelled out. So 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. 2 is multiplied by a, it will be divided on the other side, divided by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. So answer of a is equal to 7. We have found the answer of a. Now for b, take any equation from this or from this. I am taking first equation, 3a minus 2b is equal to 5. Write a 7 from here, and 2b is equal to 5. 7 3s are 21, minus 2b is equal to 5, minus 2b, and 21 will be carried on the other side. This is plus 21, it will become minus 21. Now due to different sign, we will subtract. From 21 remove 5, answer is 16, and it will be of minus 16 because of bigger term is that of negative sign. 21 subtracted by 5, answer is minus 16, and minus 2b here. Cancel out this minus by this minus, and 2 will be divided on other side because it is being multiplied here. So after dividing it, 16 divided by 2, answer is 8. So answer of B is equal to 8. We have found both the answers. Sorry dear student, I have a mistake. Bigger term carries negative sign, so we will write here minus, and due to this minus, the answer we will write here minus, and here will be minus. So A is -7, A is -7, and for B we will write here minus, and due to this minus we will write here minus. 3 7s are 21, minus 21, and minus 21 will change into plus on the other side. Here we will write plus. So 5 plus 21, answer will be 26. We will write here 26, and it will be positive 26. So 26 when divided by 2, answer will be 13 here. We will write here 13, not x, 13. So our answer will be 13, and due to this minus, this minus will not be cancelled. This minus will not be cancelled. It will be written on here, and then here, then minus sign will be carried on the other side. So minus b is equal to minus 13. This is our answer. A little mistake can cause a lot of trouble. See here, as it has occurred. So you should be careful, not like me. You should be very attentive more than me. Now let us do next question. CJ part. Minus 2d plus 2d, both are same and both have opposite sign. These are useful for us. So hurry up, solve that. Minus 2d is equal to 9, and 3c plus 2d is equal to 7. After adding, we can remove these d's. So after adding, this is minus 2d, this is plus 2d, these can be cancelled out, and 5c plus 3c makes 8c. Both have same sign, so I have added, and 9 and 7 makes 16, and carry this 8 on the other side. It will be divided. 16 will be divided by 8. 8 2s are 16, 2 here, c is 2. Now find the answer of D. Carry first equation, whatever equation you can carry, no matter. 5c minus 2d is equal to 9. Now write 2 instead of c. Put the value of c. 5 2s are 10. Minus 2d is equal to 9. Minus 2d, 9 minus 10, because 10 is of plus here, it will be of minus on the other side. Minus 1 here, and minus 2d. Now this minus 1 will be divided by 2. You can subtract, cancel out these minus signs, and d is equal to 1 over 2 here. So these are our answer. C is equal to 2 and D is equal to half, or 1 over 2. 1 over 2 is also called half. Now next part. See here, plus 4h and minus 4h, both are same, both carry opposite sign. So by adding we can remove these. So write the equation first. 3f plus 4h is equal to 1, and 5f minus 4h is equal to 7. Simultaneous equation. By adding, write addition sign here. Now by adding you can remove these. Plus and minus can be cancelled out, and 3 and 5 make 8. 8f here, and 1 and 7 make 8. 8 here. Now f will remain on the same side, and 8 will be divided by this 8. Answer is 1. So f answer is 1. F is equal to 1, and carry any equation. 3f plus 4h is equal to 1. Write f is equal to 1 here, plus 4h is equal to 1. Now 3 plus 4h is equal to 1. Carry this 3 on the other side it will become minus and plus 1 here. After subtracting minus 2 opposite sign, so I subtracted and write the sign of bigger term. Now it will be divided by 4. After dividing, h is equal to 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4 minus 1 over 2. That is the answer of h. So these are our answers. Now next question. See here, 6j minus k is equal to 23 and 3k plus j is equal to plus 6j is equal to 11. Now we have to change the places. This is 6j minus k is equal to 23. Write plus 6j here. Below j should be below j and 3k here. This is plus 3k below k. Now here is 11. Now you see here plus 6j and plus 6j both carry same sign. We can't remove them, and minus k and plus 3k we can't remove them, so we have to subtract so that we can change sign. Subtract these. This is our plus, I have written minus. This is plus, I have written minus. This is already in plus, I have written minus. Now plus 6j and minus 6j can be removed, and minus 3k and minus 1k is equal to minus 4k. And here 23 will be subtracted by 11. Answer is 2, 3 minus 1, 2 and 2 minus 1, 1. And it will carry plus sign because bigger term carry plus sign, that is 23. Now divide here by 4 and this minus sign will be written on number side. 4 1s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So k is equal to minus 3. Now find the answer of j. Take any term. This equation can be taken. 3k plus 6j is equal to 11. So 3 and minus 3, k's value is minus 3 plus 6j is equal to 11. Now 3 3s are 9, minus 9 plus 6j is equal to 11. 6j will remain on the same side and minus 9 will be carried on the other side. It will become plus 9. It will become 20. 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. And when 6 is carried on the other side, it will be divided. So j is equal to, if you divide 20 by 6, 2 3s are 6 and 2 10s are 20. So 10 over 3, change it into whole number. 10 divided by 3, 3 3s are 9, minus 1. 9 when subtracted by 10, answer is equal to 1. So write it in the form of whole number. 3 first, then this one here, and by this we have divided by 3 here. This is the answer of j. So these are our answers. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.